In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Screener on Webull. Think of a screener as your smart filter for the market. Instead of scrolling through thousands of tickers, you'll define a few rules, and the tool will surface only the stocks or ETFs that match what you're looking for. This keeps your watch list focused and your research time efficient. Start by opening Webull desktop and logging in. Give the app a moment to load and make sure your connection is stable so the data updates smoothly. It also helps to have the latest version installed for the most accurate features and indicators. On the left sidebar, find Screener and select Stock Screener. This takes you to the main workspace where you'll set your criteria. At the top, choose the market you want to scan, such as US stocks or ETFs. Picking the right universe matters. If you're analyzing individual companies, US stocks is a great place to begin. If you're interested in funds that track sectors or themes, switch to ETFs. Now, move into filters to define your criteria. For price, set it to greater than $5. This helps you avoid thinly traded penny names and improves overall quality and liquidity. Next, set market cap to large cap if you prefer established companies with deeper resources and more analyst coverage. You can always revise this later to include mid or small caps if you want broader exposure. For volume, set it to greater than 1 million. Higher average daily volume usually means tighter spreads and easier trade execution. Under technical indicators, add tools like RSI and MACD. RSI can highlight overbought or oversold conditions, while MACD can help you spot momentum shifts and trend confirmations. Choose values that fit your style. The idea is to surface setups that match how you like to trade or invest. Under fundamentals, add metrics like PE ratio and EPS. PE gives you a quick sense of how the market is valuing earnings, and EPS growth can hint at improving profitability. When your filters are set, click Apply Filters. The screener will immediately populate a results list that matches your rules. If you see too few names, ease up on a filter or two. If you see too many, tighten your ranges. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the relevance of your results. That's the core workflow. Open Webull desktop, go to Screener and Stock Screener, select your market, set price, market cap, volume, technical indicators like RSI and MACD, fundamentals like PE and EPS, and apply. With a clear set of rules, you'll quickly turn a massive market into a refined, actionable list.